Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to move an object along a path in After Effects. Let's start. First, create a new composition. Set preset is HDTV 1080 frame rate 29.97. I am changing the background color to dark yellow. Click OK. Right-click on the project panel, Import, File. I am selecting these two images. Now click Import. Now select this road image. Drag and drop it to the composition panel. Press S to bring scale. I am changing scale value like this. Now drag and drop yellow car image to timeline. Place it above the road image. Press S to bring scale. I am changing scale value like this. Now press R to bring rotation. Rotate the car image. Place it here. OK. Right-click, New, Shape Layer. Grab Pen tool. Change fill and stroke to none. Draw a path like this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. OK. Now our path is ready. Select these drop-down arrows. Select Path. Go to Window. Select Create Nulls from Paths. Now click Trace Path. You can see a square appears beginning of the path. We call it as null object. You can see it is moving when I am dragging the timeline. Select null 1 and press U to display keyframes. I am dragging this keyframe to here. Now select the car image layer. Drag timeline to here. You can see the anchor point of the car. Move the car like this till both anchor points match. Now select this pick whip icon and drag and drop it to null layer. You can see car is moving perfectly along the path. Now select all the keyframes and right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.